Do a cute face. Can you dance? No. Oh, I'm just waiting for like a random person like.
Oh, Loto. Hoover.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, what kind of challenges you want to do?
Let's just run it up, man. Let's just do one, see what we're feeling. You know, a battle.
All right. Come on, Ali. Let's beat Hoover. Let's beat Hoover.
Guys, can we do this? Can we beat him?
Where is he? Where's Hoover from?
I'm from Oklahoma.
What part?
Tulsa.
Okay, I've been to Ponca, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Ardmore,
Where are you from?
Texas.
Ooh, are you from Austin?
No, I'm from South Texas.
Oh, I used to live in Austin.
Hey, they're asking me where are the Curry sisters?
Okay, well, okay, that's another thing about my chat is they like to go infiltrate other people's chats. So if they ask anything, they're harassing me, they're stalking me, they're watching my every move.
Yeah, they're telling me that why you ran over somebody and stuff like that.
I did not run over anybody. Do I
Like
look like a
you're-
guy who could really hurt anyone?
It looks like you ran over somebody's grandma.
No, I did not. I did not run over someone's grandma. We're not doing this shit again, chat.
You're saying you have the team locked up, some shit like that.
No. That's not me, man.
If you're not helping them out, at least help me out, you know?
Help me out, guys. Help me out. What the fuck is that? I got a butterfly. Can I get a galaxy?
They said you have a basement and you have people holding in your basement.
I'm the only person in my basement right now. Look.
That you run over your uncle's stone paw.
My uncle is not Stokely. That man is my friend, and he's like a year younger than me. Not true.
Vamos, Raza, vamos a ganarle, Raza. Let's get him.
Come on, guys.
Vamos, Raza.
Where is all this hard cash? Or likes? I don't even know.
Ahorita damos cheese, Frankie. Vamos, Raza. Este vato va a gane. Ni chance los dio, hable.
Can y'all drop me some love?
That you cheated on somebody and keep their car.
No, okay, no, I did not.
Let's
do
Toro
that.
Bravo. Come on, Toro Bravo.
I did not do any of that.
Toro Bravo.
Have you ever committed a crime like that? Have you? Because I mean, like, you don't seem like.
Vamos, Raza. Es todo, mi compadre Toro Bravo. Vamos a ganar. Esta gente me está infiltrando acá este pedo. Vamos a ganar y salirnos de aquí porque me van a tumbar la cuenta, yo creo, con este vato.
Guys, we're gonna lose.
Vamos a
We're gonna
tumbarle
fucking lose. We gotta win.
likes y vamos a
this.
ganarle.
Guys, if I don't win this, I'm ending right now. You lie on my name, you get me in a battle, and then now I'm gonna die and I'm gonna lose.
Gracias a todos por el apoyo. Gracias a todos, mi compadre Toro Bravo. Es una pipa, mi compadre Toro Bravo. Saludos para Toro Bravo. Y que es todo mi compadre Toro Bravo en la casa. Everybody, todos siguen mi compadre Toro Bravo.
Hey!
Es un pinche gallo bien jugado el viejo.
He's saying you're gonna
mi
get
compadre
him
Toro
banned.
Bravo, Raza.
Am I gonna get you
Es una
banned?
pipa. Saludazo a mi compadre Toro Bravo. Gracias por el apoyo, viejo.
Okay.
Un saludazo. Aquí dejen que hablen lo que digan, no
Did he
importa.
actually mute me? Did you mute
Lo
me?
voy a mutear a
Can you hear
todos.
me?
Ya no quiero oír este vato, me saca de onda.
Can you hear me?
Se mira, tiene cara de...
Oh.
Pues no sé. Pero gracias a mi compadre Toro Bravo por todo el apoyo, viejo. Toda la gente que me está viendo, apoyen. Yo sé que no me están escuchando porque este vato pues, está hablando de puras casquetadas y no quiero ver ese pedo. Me están tire. Vamos, Raza. Gracias a todos los que me están siguiendo. Gracias.
Oh!
Yo sé, compadre, no hay pedo.
Come
viejo.
on, guys,
Pues,
come on.
Lo
Bring
que
it
es lo
home.
que es, viejo. No lo puedo cambiar. ¿Qué
Can't
onda,
believe
las
you
dos
muted me.
Salinas? Embárrate de hombre, casquetón. Pinche
That's
barquero,
so
güey.
fucked
No te has visto, güey, la pinche fotillo, güey. Aquí te tengo, güey, screenshot para cagarte el palo mañana.
crying?
Te estás poniendo de pechito, barco, casquete. Raza, vamos, Raza. Ánimo. apapacha el pinche gordillo. Fumi,
I don't know what you're
pinche
laughing at
gordillo.
me for.
Se crea el capón.
I'm the winner here.
Pinche vato alucinado. Tómate ese
Talking
rollo,
bad about me.
casquete. Sí, güey, pare de fumar.
The things he's saying. What is he calling? He called you fat.
No sabe ni fumar el pinche puerco pálido ese.
Oh, okay.
Vamos a darle, raza, vamos a darle. Es todo, mi compadre Toro Bravo. No lo dejen solo, raza. No lo dejen solo, mi compadre Toro Bravo. Ánimo.
He said you stink? Okay.
Yo no
I
voy a
don't
hacer
stink.
batalla con
God,
este
if I
vato.
lose,
La
if
neta,
I
yo no voy a
lose
hacer
right
batalla.
now,
Gracias
help
por
me
la paz,
God.
mi compadre
So
Toro
help me
Bravo.
God.
Pero es un
You
pinche
can't let me lose.
alucín este
You
vato.
can't let me
La
lose.
neta.
You can't let me lose.
No lo quiero
He called you
escuchar,
a pale
pero...
pig.
Gracias, mi amigo
A
Nari.
pale pig.
Thank you. Mira, güey, viene el vato
Don't let me lose. Don't let me lose. Don't let me lose.
ganar.
Don't let me lose. Come on. Drop it in. Drop
No,
it in.
no hay
Drop
pedo,
it in.
Erasmo.
Drop it in.
Es todo, mi
Drop it
compadre
in. Drop
Bravo.
it in. Drop it in.
Enséñanos quién es el bueno.
Woo! Oh, what?
Enseño quién es el
No, we lost.
bueno. Eso, paipa. Un saludo para mi compadre Toro Bravo.
Oh, my
Pinche
God.
paipa, mi compadre. Pinche fuerte abrazo. Sálteme la chingada de aquí, huerco llorón. No hace...
And he just fucking ditched me. And he just ditches me, he mutes me, uses me, and leaves me. Well, I think his fucking glasses look stupid. If he was talking shit, your glasses look fucking nerdy as hell. So fuck you, Four Eyes. Can I get another galaxy or something? No. Thank you for the corgi. Will you dance for Galaxy? Did somebody say that? Did I say that right? Dude, I still cannot fucking believe that one time somebody gave a lion. Like, I did not realize that was actually $500. Who's your K-pop girl group? Brockhampton. No, I don't know. I don't have any faves. I just listen to whatever fucking, whatever makes me feel good. This is what you do for fun, Hoov. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to stream on my Twitch, guys. My Twitch. I know you all aren't real. Everyone right now that's watching this, you're not real. Unless, like, you're smoking weed and you're like, oh no, I'm having like a panic attack, and which you are real. But like most of you all, like, you don't exist to me. Like I fucking posted that TikTok of just my face, and somebody was like, we love you, Hoover. 5 million likes. Not a single person watches my streams. My only viewer in my streams is an Nightbot, so. Did your Twitch get banned after Impractical Jokers? No, it did not get banned. I deleted everything. It's fine. Plus, Stump has like watched like movies that came out a day ago. He's fine. So, you look gorgeous with your secret. I just wear filters, makeup. How old are you, Pookie? See, that's the thing, is like that opens up such a fucking terrible can of worms where like somebody says a high enough number, I'm gonna cry. And I'm gonna cry. $24, $29. Okay, yep. Say $29, $34. Okay, I'm killing myself. Kidding! I'm kidding, TikTok. I'm kidding. I'm 17, guys. I'm a minor. Do you all not know that? I'm a minor. I'm like graduating like 7th grade soon. I'm going on to 8th grade. 17, now 40. Thanks, Letheus here. Great fucking username. Go back to the cave which you crawled out from. Loving the ears. No problem. Who's your Minecraft bias? Oh, and I say that, I'm like, oh, and I fall asleep because I don't fucking care. Meow for a galaxy? That's easy. Meow. I could do that every day of the week. For fucking $20? Are you kidding me? This isn't real. You're definitely in kindergarten still, don't lie. Okay. What should I listen to? I don't even know. I don't even know. Hey, Howie. Oh, you eat glue sticks. Why do I read messages out loud? I really don't know why. Like, I just read whatever I see, and it's like the word. It's literally like the Nicki Minaj clip where it's like big boobs. What? Can you do jumping jacks on a D? What? Loving the reference. Thank you so much, guys. If you like the reference, drop a like, cause we're getting a reference next for a certain amount of subs. Ooh, I could play Nyan Cat. You're right. Nyan Cat 100 hours. How long can I listen for? The original Nyan Cat video only has 315 views. Kind of weird. Oh. You're loud already coded? I know I am. I'm so you look at me right now and you're like, this guy was on 2014's Tumblr, sure. Hoover one next, cool dog. Soon. Oh. Ooh. Do you see that Jake Paul got arrested? What? Turn on the news! JFK vibes, what? Request random people to join? I'm scared! I can do like the thing called quick invites now, and I don't like fucking... I just want like, like, can I not just like find the psychics again? So that's cool. I just wait for them to come to me, you know what I mean? My hair's too long. Galaxy on its way? Galaxy on its way? I wake up late and this is what I see. Oh! Bro, where are you? I'm hiding. I'm in hiding. No! Are you real? No. None of this is real. This is all a dream. You know that, right? Like, it's all a dream. Like, none of it's real. Hoover, do a meet and greet in Kentucky. Like, where? Like, literally, where the fuck? Like, 2 people show up at, like, a fucking McDonald's? No! Oh! I think it's a great idea. I'm glad. Oh. Okay, Okay, fine. I'll click on it. I'll click on it, and then I'm gonna act like I'm gonna click quick invites, and I'm gonna say you invited me. I don't know who the fuck could join off of this, but I clicked it.
Oh my god.
I need to go to the gym soon.
I like the cat, bro. What kind of cat are you?
Cool cat.
You're a cool cat?
Go on my music. I can't hear you. Let's battle, man.
Let's battle, bro. Let's see what you got. You got smoke or what?
Hey, do I have smoke?
Can you get the keys?
I got smoke.
What is that, bro?
It's a piece of poop.
Somebody asked, are you pregnant?
Okay. I'm not pregnant. I can't be pregnant.
Why? Anything's possible in this world.
Okay, well, I appreciate the optimism, but I'm not pregnant. Are you?
Yeah, actually, 2 months.
What is it gonna be? What pronouns does it have?
Oh, thank you for the hat. Oh, with the mustache.
What pronouns does the baby have? Do you know yet?
What about your boyfriend Stanope?
Stanope.
Yeah.
Stanope he's a gone.
He's a what?
He's gone.
Dude, I'm just reading off the comments. Excuse me.
I know. Like the thing is like I have a bunch of like people that like to run like anonymous hacks and attacks on me.
How about West?
Okay. Weston, he's doing good. He's in New York City right now. Chilling.
Help, he kidnapped up. Tell him he looks like all of the Beatles combined. Oh, that's messed up. Guys, be nice to the dude, bro.
Yeah, be nice to me, man. You don't know, maybe I had a rough day and I came on here to get away from my problems.
I mean,
I did. I had a great day.
I don't think TikTok's a good platform to get away from your
No,
problems.
that is okay. You know what? You're not wrong. That is true. It actually is like a toxic hellhole, sometimes. But I don't really care. There's not like a lot of things people can do.
Alright, tap into and share the live, y'all. It's the speed challenge.
Turn off the Wi-Fi.
Hey, ran over. Yo, why'd you run over her grandpa?
I did not run over anyone's grandpa.
Hold on, I want to see what this is. Why'd you run over her grandpa?
I didn't run over anyone. I didn't run over anybody. I didn't run over anybody. You know?
Damn, they said you look. Wait, can you see the comments that are on my live?
No, I can't. I wish I could.
Okay. Okay, they called you a vegetable character.
Tails, like a VeggieTale character.
Yeah, like a vegetable character.
If you like to talk to tomato.
Serious question.
But, yeah?
Serious question. Why do you got the cat stuff on?
I don't know. I just turned it on. People thought I was feeling myself. Not like literally, but like, you know.
Okay. Okay, look. Alright. What's your nationality?
I'm Irish.
You're Irish. You're from
And
Ireland.
Italian.
And Italian cuisine.
Hey, guma.
He's gay. You know that's right, mommy. So what? Like, let him be gay, bro. Let him be peacefully gay, bro.
That's what I'm talking about, man. I'm down for this positivity. I don't know why people have to hate. I'm not even gay. I'm not even like that.
Yeah.
But
What if
No.
he's trying to look like the? What if he's trying to look like the baby Powerpuff Girl? Like, you never know. Like,
LGTV rights.
I'm not gonna lie though. Like, nah, I'm not gonna say it.
No, you
I'm gonna
say
be nice.
they're bros. You gotta say it to me, man.
Nah, bro. I'm gonna be nice, bro.
No, I really don't. Please tell me, please. I need to know.
Oh man, where'd you bury the Curry sisters?
I didn't. Okay, just tell me what you were gonna say. Don't read the chat. Just say what you're gonna say. That
man.
you're like, I want to be nice, but I don't care.
Where the floods? Ask him why he won't talk about the Poot Lovato incident. What the hell?
There's no incident.
What's the Poot Lovato incident, bro?
I
What'd you
don't
do?
even know what they're talking about.
Ask him he killed the Kayleen Curry. Oh my god.
No, I didn't. Do you look at me? Do I look like a killer?
Honestly, Loki, what do you think?
I I don't know.
I don't
Can't
know.
judge a book by
I won't judge you by the cover. Yeah, I
Okay.
would say that, but you never know. But the silence kind of scares me.
Well, I'm not being. I'm just like letting you look.
Jeff
I'm letting
Dahmer.
you
Hey,
look.
look, Jeff Dahmer didn't look like a killer.
He didn't. He was actually very enthusiastic. So
Yeah. Ask him what's going down in his basement. Oh, how do they know you're in your basement, bro?
I don't know. They stalk me, man. They look through my windows at night. I'm pretty sure.
That's kind of weird, bro.
I listen.
Say
I didn't want this life.
Really
They
like
picked on
when you
me.
say it. XD. What's XD, bro?
XD is like you're laughing.
Snipe him, bro. Snipe him.
Whoa! Don't snipe. Hey, you're advocating for my death, man. What the hell? Snipe
Oh,
me.
you guys are.
Get down.
Ask him why his basement windows are. Bro,
I don't even have basement windows.
That's the whole point. They're covered up.
Okay.
Somebody
Listen,
said they're outside your house.
Okay. Well, I gotta go check on them. Great.
No, man, stay. No, I actually like you, bro. You're a
Okay.
good dude.
Okay. You sure, man?
Look, I'm not weirded out, bro. I think I'm pretty safe. You know, I'm walking around my neighborhood. As long as they're not looking for me, I'm good.
All right. Well, maybe they want to look for you. Where are you at?
No, thank you.
No, they're not gonna look for me. They won't find me, bro. I'm.
Okay, I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. I'm yanking your chain, man. I'm not gonna do anything.
Please tell him Axel wants the kids back, please. You have kids?
No, dude. How old do you think I am?
Why is Hoover behind you, bro? Somebody named Hoover is behind you.
How old do you think I am?
I think you're like, I could give it take. I give you like 15, 14.
15? You think I'm 15 or 14?
Yeah, with that cat thing on your face.
Well, I just thought it was cool. I'm gonna be a grown man and wear this filter.
How old are you,
You're
bro?
not?
How old are
Sound
you, bro?
loud?
How old are you?
I'm 22.
22.
Yeah. How old are you?
Look, now I wrapped it around my head. I know exactly what you look like.
Okay. What is it? Jonah Hill?
No. You know the Very Odd Parents?
Fairly Odd Parents? Who from Fairly Odd Parents? This one I haven't heard.
You look like the small baby.
Poof?
Yeah.
Look like Poof? Honestly, I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take Poof. I've never heard anyone call
What
me
is that?
I've heard Jonah Hill. I've heard Josh Peck. You know, I never heard Poof.
Oh man, there's so many people in here, bro.
Yo,
What do
what's
I
up,
do?
Jim? How we doing?
Damn, there's mad people in here, bro. Ask him to meow. Can you meow for me? Give me your best meow.
I just did.
Okay, so now give me a meow when you're angry.
Oh, that hurt my stomach.
Feisty.
And then me cleaning myself up.
Bro, what about your Weston Corey secret? Tell me about
I don't
that.
have any secrets, man. I'm an open book. Ask me anything.
What used to go down in the bathrooms in your private school?
Okay. Okay, so one time somebody for senior prank day put icy hot on
You're
the
a good
toilet
cat.
seats.
You're a good cat. Can you stand up? Okay, now sit down, kitty. There you go. You're a good kitty.
Okay, whoa,
See, guys, he's a
whoa,
good-
whoa, hey, what was that all about?
He's a good cat.
I don't know why I even did that.
Bro, he's a good cat. Come
What are
on,
your
guys.
pronouns, by the way? I didn't even ask. It's usually what I ask first.
Oh, I'm a woman.
Oh, so it's a woman slash woman.
Yeah, I'm a woo/man.
Oh, okay, cool,
A
man.
woman.
Never heard those
Yeah.
before. They must be new to the pronoun item shop.
Yeah, it's pretty different.
Okay.
Can you put your fursuit on? I want to see what that looks like.
Girl, can you put your records on? No.
I know you have a fursuit.
I don't have a fursuit.
Come on.
Nope. This is about it. I'm furry. Like, I have fucking hair and shit.
Bro, these people keep saying you ran over their uncle. Can you
I didn't
ask
do
him how
shit,
aggressive
dude.
it
I
is?
didn't do fucking shit, bro.
Guys, stop bullying him. It's not cool. Like, I actually
not
like the dude. He's funny.
Not cool.
He's
I'm
really
trying to
funny.
get on here. I'm trying to like build my brand and shit. You know what I mean?
What brand do you have? Talk to me.
I have an energy drink business.
Does it hit like this?
That's actually mine. I'm C4. That's mine.
You're not C4, bro.
What do you mean I'm not C4? Look at me.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, flex some more. Yeah. Yeah, he looks like the flexing. Snipe him. Snipe him, bro.
Snipe me. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Hey. Ask him to whimper. He loves it.
All right. Have fun at the gym, man. Have fun. Have fun at the gym. Hope you have fun. Happy. Ugh. Why does it like every single time like I fucking ask somebody for their pronouns on here, they have a new response every time. Like these like NPC TikTokers, like every single time it's either like pronouns don't exist or like I'm a woman. Like they don't have any other. They really do not have any other like prompts or like any other responses. But I did like that he called me poof. That's like a new comparison that I could take. So my pronouns are normal. My pronouns are normal. How bored are you? I'm fucking terribly bored, man. Thank you for the hat. Thank you, thank you. I told him to ask you to whimper. Why? I don't want to whimper. I'm a grown-ass man. I'm strong. I don't whimper. I like grow. I don't moan. I groan. I don't moan. Groaning is for men. Moaning is for women. I said what I said. Where there's a spider on your ceiling? There actually like might be. And I really don't care, but it is like true because I'm not joking. I was walking over there and like a fucking spider was just like dangling like Charlotte's Web in front of me. And I clapped on it. So, yeah. Sing New Jeans? No. No. Oh, hell no. This make me go crazy? Okay, fine. I'll fucking put on Jellyfish Jam. Family bias? Ooh. Like family photos. Family bias is doing a family photo, but then you only crop who your favorite is out of like the big family photo. It's like, ooh, I'm like ant bias. I'm so ant bias. I'm cousin bias. Who's your bias in Impractical Jokers? I can't pick. I can't pick. Oh. Nikki Do's movie night? We already watched that. I'm sorry if you missed it. But, yeah. Looks like you're streaming from a parking garage. Okay, well, maybe it's my undone room Not like it's undone, like, oh, they undid my room, but like, it's not done yet. So, yeah. Okay, I'm putting on another song. Oh, listen up. How many donuts can you stack on it? What? That's just me trying to act like Nicki. Can we get Nicki Minaj in here? Wake her up. Wake Nicki Minaj up. Tell her to get in the Hoover live stream, man. My hair is crazy. DM her? I DM'd Charlie XCX on her Finsta and she did not say anything back. I said, Charlie XCX, I love you. No response. But maybe she just didn't see it. I don't know. That prop scared her? Why? What? Literally anything about me is not scary. Nothing about me is scary. You kind of look like her. Okay, in that case. Oh, that's Prince 99. Sure, playing Prince 1999. Here we go. I think me and Charlie XCX would be good friends. Like, I'd be like wearing these. Like, is this very Charlie XCX? No. I just bought like a fucking bunch of glasses for a fucking Planet Sheen or whatever. And I have them for like no reason. Some of them don't even work, but... Or not work, I mean... They just don't look good on me, is what I mean. You need to be yourself. Tonight, I just wanna go back to 1999. Don't be yourself. You just said you're serving, and I'm taking tips. Everyone is giving me not like okay, whatever. What products you use in your hair? G Fuel. No, I don't fucking use anything. Like, my hair is just long. Ooh. In time. The memories. Ooh. Natural grease. Yeah, that's honestly what it is. I need to make, like... Okay, no, that would actually look gross. Put it in a bun? I can put it in a headband. This is usually what I do. This is so long. Oh. Does it have natural curl? Yeah. I'm not joking. Like, I'm the only fucking person that's been in my life that actually wants fucking curl in their hair. Or doesn't want curl in their hair. Like, I always try to fucking get it out, and every single, like, white woman that's, like, over the age of 40 was always like, I love your curls, and would fucking put their, like, fingers through my hair and be like, I wish I had your curls. And I was like, I don't fucking want this shit, man. I want cool hair like everyone else. But now I kind of like it. Ugh. What's your favorite Charlie song? Yuck. Yuck is the best song of all time. I don't care. Nobody can make a better song. So good. Hoover, did you watch Mario movie? I watched... Dude, I'll fucking watch that shit on my iPad because everyone was just tweeting it on Twitter. I was like, okay. Fuck it. I'll watch it. It was about a 3 out of 5. So... I just wanna go back to 1999. You're an iPad kid? Yes. And what's wrong with that? Oh, it's over. Oh, I'm putting on yuck. Mother! Literally that fucking White Lotus clip where she's like, my mother, 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 my mother. I love Charlie. Twitch stream after, please. Maybe a little late night. Something. I don't know. Nothing like crazy though. Maybe like a chill CSGO stream? I don't know. Maybe my alt. Maybe on my alt. So. But I don't know yet. Roblox bingo. Dude, I know that everyone loves seeing me fucking lose my goddamn shit at Roblox bingo, but I don't think you understand. It takes energy out of me. I have to recharge after every single fucking game. It usually takes like 3 hours for me to fucking win. It's a piece of shit. Get a better charger. What? Bed Wars. I'm gonna be playing Bed Wars, I think, with Handsome Fella on his stream at some point this week. So that should be cool. TikTok on TikTok. So that should be cool. Play Fashion Famous. I don't know. Oh, it's a cat on the keyboard. Are you wearing that filter in an ethical Kane way or a Republican way? Ethical Kane. I'm in the goddamn fucking Nebraska. I'm in the goddamn Nebraska house, dude. Look where I'm at. Like, that's literally where I'm at. I'm in the fucking Nebraska house basement. Okay, Ethel Kane also needs to get on my life. So you can say, hey, hey. I will always love you. Wait, I want to listen to... Hold on. I want to listen to... How many songs do I have liked by Charlie? 21? I know it's more on my YouTube. What the fuck? It's a core... Hey! Whoa! It's shaking its ass and shit. This is why I skipped. I thought he was British? You thought I was British? Oi, bruv. I wish Jay Park, donated his I wish Jay Park donated his verse for charity, but it's still a good song. I think Jay Park. Did you skip the rap part of the song? No, that's what I mean. I don't really need to listen to that part. Unlock it. Got the key, can you unlock it? Lock it, lock it, lock it. Let me see. Is there any fucking psychics? I want to do a psychic before I get off here. A cool heat. I'm a man in my bed. And I love my life. I do unlock it. And if I sleep on the roof down, hit me hard enough for it rain. Dude, there's no one. Are you really in Nebraska? No. I don't even know any cities in Nebraska. I told that guy I was in fucking Tulsa, Oklahoma. Isn't that also kind of crazy? I was just like, dude, fuck this shit. I'm from Tulsa, Oklahoma. When I'm not, in reality, I'm from Gary, Indiana. Unlock it. Eyebrow tutorial, please. I want to be that fool. Apply peanut butter. I don't know. I don't do anything. I didn't even know that man was in this song. I'm not gonna lie, like my brain skipped over it. Like I just kind of like cut out for a second and now I'm back. Do a live where you pretend to be a psychic. That's gonna happen. That's gonna happen. So keep your eyes peeled soon this month. I think maybe this month could be a good thing. So yeah. Leave the basement? Okay, I'm gonna leave the basement then. Thank you all for all the follows and all the likes on my TikTok. I'm gonna go now. But I might be live on my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/hoover, with 2 R's. So, yeah. Thank you. They don't actually leave?